Vicky. My little one is here. Say hi, everybody. Say hi, everybody. Okay, we are going. Munna, say hi, everybody. Welcome back to my mama's channel. Where we are headed today? Where we are headed? We are in Oakland Zoo, and it's very beautiful. We are in the queue to buy the tickets. Hey guys, bye bye. Wow. What it's called? Ota.
Yeah, he's on holiday.
Wow, so good to see the water. बड़ा हॉर्स बड़ा थे हॉर्स it doesn't say I'll just zoom it so everyone can see the zebra. Hey Dorelia, say hi. Dorelia, say hi. Say hi to your friends. Come on, we'll go to other place. Lion is sleeping over there. Resting time.
Ma'am.
Hey.
That's really tiny. Naya lang. Mesti lang kasi.
Dororia.
Greta Flamingo. Wow. मैंने को बता दिया थी अभी तो बस चल गया घर भाई दिल्ली के लिए मारा सुन होते हैं
We are now very end of the zoo. Had a great time. Please take your kids. Visiting a zoo is an exciting experience that combines education and entertainment to your kids. After the zoo, we came to the park where we can do a barbecue and swimming, spend some time. See, my great husband is cooking a barbecue, and then Dorolia had a great time because she loved swimming in the water, so she enjoyed swimming in the pool. Growing up, she loved being in the
Doro,
water.
say hi, Mama.
She loved playing in the pool, so she had a great time, and we all had a great time